It's a little bream.
Hi, I'm Fishing Gav. And we changed over to some Berkeley Gulp. Just put a shrimp on. Hard bodies, the action had slowed right down, Savo. Anyway, do you want me to de-hook him?
Yeah, de-hooking. Where is he?
We don't want to talk about that on video. Alright, hold him up for the camera.
Ah, yeah, poof!
Just hold him up for 1 second. He's only a wee tacker, but it's nice to get him on film. Merry Christmas. I'm Fishing Gav. Over and out.
It's a good strike.
Yeah.
Says it. And
Look, what? There's Fishing Bud. Hey, Fishing Bud. Buddy. Hello, buddy.